Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hope everyone's well. Today's Saturday, day before Easter, and we're off for a charity Easter egg ride to Crosshouse Hospital. So meeting up the guys from Full Armour who have just joined on the roads on the way down. We'll be travelling up to Mauchline, joining the main group, and then going up to the hospital to deliver our Easter eggs and other gifts. So I'll get you back when we're further up the road. It's a lovely day, so hopefully it should be a good one. Right, well that's us McDonald's at the Q8 roundabout in Kilmarnock, so just going to head up to Mauchline, the main meeting point. As you can see, there's quite a few bikes here. Good turnout, but there'll be even more up at the main bit, so we'll see you when we get up the road there. Right, that's us, we're off. On the way back to Crosshouse Hospital. there we go, well that was a good wee ride today. Went a bit wrong in the middle, I don't know what happened, but the group gets split. I think there was a police escort at the front who was a fair bit ahead, and then I think another police car turned right at a roundabout, and some of the group thought that was it and turned right and followed that car, so we ended up getting split. I raised, I think, was it £3,807 for Crosshouse Hospital, so that's not bad at all for a fairly small run. So yeah, it's a big Glasgow run tomorrow, but unfortunately I can't make that, so I'll miss it this year, but maybe next year. So thanks very much for watching, everybody. I hope you've had a nice weekend. It's been good weather up in Scotland, so hopefully it's been good for you. So ride safe and we'll see you next time. Cheerio.